Hello guys, this is Gopi back with another video. In this video we are going to discuss about JSON serialization. So far we discussed about binary serialization, XML serialization, SOAP serialization, and now we are going to discuss about JSON serialization. Among all the serialization, JSON serialization is quite easy. I am going to use the same class whatever that I have used so far. For the SOAP serialization, we don't need the serialize attribute at all. We can just remove it. Now I have this, right? This class, I have some dummy data. I just have to serialize and deserialize it. That's it. Nothing going to do apart from that. To serialize, right, we'll have to use JSON serializer. This JSON serializer, previously we'll have to use a package called Newton.json. Newton soft actually .json. Using that we'll be getting this JSON serializer. Now inbuilt we have, which is nothing but system.text.json namespace, we have a JSON serializer. By using this JSON serializer, I could serialize any object. That's it, we have a serialized it. Once you converted object to the JSON serialized content, then it become a string object. Okay, this should not be a student. I say student serialized. Okay, this is the object that you will be getting. Now what I do, let me print this student deserialized. Now we are done with this. After that I wanted to deserialize, which is again going to be very much easy. Let me use a JSON serializer, the class, and then I'll be using deserialize method. You don't need any stream, you don't need anything at all. Just have to pass the student content. It will return you the student as expected. I will just say student deserialized. That's it. So we are done with. So here you can say I'm getting some error in the deserialize method. This deserialize method is a generic type which needs to know what type the output should be present. The output is a student, so I have passed that. Now I can print console.writeLine by using the template literal syntax. I could able to access ID and name as it is. ID, again hyphen, and then name. That's it. Quite easy, right? So that's how it is working. Usually we will be having all this formatter in a separate class. We will be invoking that whenever we need it. That's all about the serialization and deserialization with JSON content. That's it. Okay. Let me run this program by clicking on this run button. Quite simple. So here you can see that I got a response. So the first line that represents the JSON string data that printed. Second line is nothing but deserialized object. Okay. This is nothing but your deserialized actual object. This is nothing but serialized JSON object. That's how that JSON serializer works. If you are using any older version of a .NET framework or .NET, you just have to install a NuGet package called Newton soft.json. That's it. You just have to install this and you have to use the same method. JSON serializer.serialize, JSON serializer.deserialize. While deserializing it, you just have to pass the type. That's it. It will work as it is. That's all for the serialization. With this, we are come to end of the serialization topic. Now onwards, we will be going to discuss about other topics in the .NET Core. Till then, bye. Take care.